In this video, we are going to go one step further. What you have right now is the sales report for the quarter ended on March 2015. Now, just have a look at this data and try to understand what it means. Yes, we have recently started a business for selling a unique kind of bags in the market. So we have only one product right now. So the price is $275 for all because that's what we are only selling. So obviously to make the sales, we have hired some salespersons to promote sales, and their target is to sell the units and increase customer reach. That means increasing links with customer so that we can get more business in the future. And we have some sales amount and profit. Now, if I want to calculate the profit by myself, I will just delete this. Sales amount is the simple calculation is equal to units sold multiplied by selling price. If I hit enter, I can see the result. But if I double click, notice that there is no result. So that's there is an easy way of checking the errors in the formula. You can just double click where you feel there is a mistake, and you can notice that the sale price has also moved with the sell value. So it should not move. It should be static at 275. So what we will do is just click on this cell and press F4 key to freeze it. Rather, I will do it here. F4 key to freeze it and double click and set it down. Now we also have the profit margin, which is applied on the sales amount. So what we will do, the same is the calculation here, equals to sales amount multiply by profit, and we can freeze that too. Enter and double click and send it down. Now what I want with you is, this is totally a raw data. So what I want you to do is just compile a report for me. Okay, this is the report for 3 months. I want the totals at the end of every month. For what? For units sold, for customer reach, for sales amount, and for profit. For January, February, and March, I want a totals. Now that's a very simple task, but we can see that we have raw data. So what is the first step? Obviously, if you have to make the totals, your data should be arranged in months. So the easy way of doing it is I will just right click on this month heading or anywhere within this column. Right click on that and select sort and click A to Z. Now the data is arranged, but you can notice that still it's not in the right order because you have already said that you need to arrange it in alphabetical sequence. So according to alphabetical sequence, it's just fine. February comes first, then January, then March. But we don't want that. We want January to be first. So in this situation, we need to use a kind of predefined list that Excel has by default. Do we know about that? Yes, that is the custom list that we have checked before, and we can also make that list too. So what we'll do is we will just select the whole table including headings. So when I tell you headings, you don't have to include this heading, only the data headings. So okay, now I will go in the data tab and click sort option. So it's giving me some criterias. How do you want to sort your data? By months, by salesperson, by units sold. I want to sort by months. And the values should be in order of A to Z? No. Z to A? No. But custom list. This is exactly the same list we have seen before. So it is already in the right order. So what we'll do is just click on this, select OK, and you have the order right there, and click OK. It will automatically arrange. Now, I want you to insert a total of January units sold, customer reach, and sales amount. What you will do? How will you determine where to put the totals? Yes, you're right. You will see that when a month ends, okay, I need to insert a row here. I will just select this one because it will insert the row upwards. Right click on this and select insert and write January totals. And what we can do is just add this data. Alt equals. Okay, and we can drag it towards right. So I will just select this one and start moving towards right and hit Control R. In this way you can have the totals. Now is the time to select February. I mean, the month changes here. So I need to insert one row and insert February. So as you can see that I don't need to write all the data by myself because Excel automatically detects, oh, this value is used before. So do you want to write February? Yes. So I will just click on this and move further and write totals. Okay. So I want to add this too. But do you think that Alt equals our golden key will work here? Yes, you might think that no, because it adds all up. But this formula is smart enough to identify itself where there is a formula in between. Means this is not the value, this is formula. So it will automatically stop up to this point, this one. So this is a very intelligent formula. Alt equals. Yes, I'm right. So tab, and then you can Control R. Now same is for March. Totals, and then Alt equals sign, and then Control R. If I also want the grand totals to appear, you can just add the totals for each month. Equals to January totals plus February totals plus March totals. So C8 plus C22 plus C33. Tab. And then we can drag it towards right. So that's how you can make the totals and arrange the data.